I want to ask about fever. Very often when we have a fever or higher temperature, we are very fast also to drink some pills to make it less. What Ayurveda says about it? Maybe we should let our organism kind of to fight with that.
Yeah. So first of all, the fever definitely is a reaction of our immune system. Whenever some foreign body enters into the body or something happens in the body, some kind of imbalance happens. So the immune system, raises the temperature of the body. It's like, is trying to fight the outer or the foreign body. So this is a normal or natural response of the body. So we should not be panicking, it should not be feeling like something abnormal has happened, its body is trying to fight it. So stay calm, quiet. Maybe, if fever is high, use some cold compress, take some towel, dip it in cool water and squeeze it, put it on the forehead, rub it on the palms, in the feet. You can see that within a few minutes, 5-6 minutes, if you do it, the temperature comes down. And, give the patient some warm, drinks. Maybe if you can again find tulsi is very nice. Tulsi leaves, you can either make a paste of 2-3 tulsi leaves, or if you have dry tulsi, these days you find tulsi tea also, it's available. So you can give that, it's also effective. You have in the kitchen some cooling things. Very nice is fennel and coriander. Okay. Just coriander water, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, you just boil in a cup of water, filter it and drink it warm. It's very good. Fennel is also good. You can make a fennel tea. It can be given. So just try, but make sure you should not eat foods which are very difficult to digest. I see that when people have fever, they're still eating fried foods, eating cakes, and all these heavy things. Try to eat khichdi, or maybe fasting little bit is okay. Just fasting, because body is trying to fight the system. The Agni is also working on there. So don't put too much pressure. Maybe some vegetable soup, some zucchini soup or some squash soup is very good. Pumpkin soup is very good. Something which is easily digestible can be given. This is how we can take care. This is how people used to do when there was no antibiotics,
Sounds so simple.
Yeah, I remember when I was in the village, that's how they used to do, when somebody had fever, they will, okay, don't eat, just have some khichdi, and, they will boil some of these herbs, give. And in India, we have a very nice herb called guduchi, giloy. So if you can find that, giloy can be given like boiled in water and 2-3 times a day. It's very effective.
Thank you so much. I would like to speak about running nose. So how we can treat it in a natural way?
Running nose, again, normally it is a problem caused by kapha. So because kapha is water and earth. Okay. So in Ayurveda we say that whenever we find out the cause, suppose cause is kapha, so stop the similar, take the opposite. First thing is stop the similar, it is very important. So what people do, they take the opposite, but they also take the similar. So when they have running nose, maybe somehow they find out I should take ginger. Okay, they are taking ginger, but they are also eating cheese. This is not logical, You have to stop first the kapha increasing food, cheese, milk products, sweets, fried things. Don't eat those heavy things, anything which is cold drinks, cold water, anything cold, stop it, because already you are having a cold running nose. Then take the opposite. Again, just make a mixture of 3 things. It's available in your kitchen: ginger powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, all mixed in 3 equal quantities. Mix them. From the mixture, just half teaspoon with warm water, or you can mix it with honey, eat it, very effective. And when you have running nose, normally you have a little headache and you feel little weak, very nice recipe. Fresh ginger, little bit, chop into small pieces, like 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, crush them, boil them in a cup of water. When they are boiled, take it off, filter it. When it's little cool, not completely cold, little bit lukewarm, add a teaspoon of honey, drink it warm. Instant energy comes, instantly you feel much better. There are many things you can do. If you have headache, for example, when you have running nose, sometimes headache, you just take any oil, sesame oil or something, do a gentle massage in the head. So please try these things. These things have been tested by thousands of people. I do a very popular show in India, in which I only tell home remedies to people, and so many people come back to me, write me that this home remedy you told me is very, very nice. It works, but it's not magic. It's science. We have to understand that we are working on the root cause. That's how it works. So sometimes people are so surprised that how this small ginger can work. Oh, it's anti-kapha, and kapha is the cause of your problem.
That's wonderful to know. Sometimes we so much complicate things, and we think that some medicaments or some medicine would help better than natural medicines. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. I would like to talk about sore throat. So what could be home remedies when a woman has a sore throat?
Well, sore throat, first of all, again, we have to find out the cause. Normally, I see sore throat can be due to kapha when they have congestion. So again, when you have kapha, you must stop the similar cheese, cold, milk products, sweets, fried foods, stop it. Drink maybe warm soup, very nice, some clear soup with some ginger, some black pepper on the top, because it's kapha. Or again, you can have ginger powder, or you can mix ginger, turmeric and cinnamon, 3 things. It's very effective. If you find licorice also, licorice is available. So ginger powder, licorice powder, cinnamon powder and turmeric powder, 4 things. Make a nice mixture, equal quantities. Half teaspoon mixed with honey, eat it. Very good. But if you have pitta, sometimes you have sore throat because of pitta, and people complain, I feel burning in my throat. Yes. I feel like, and if you look at inside, it's red, completely reddish. So here ginger is not good. Now you need something cooling. So licorice is very good here. Licorice is going to help. So you can take licorice powder with honey, or fenugreek you can boil in water and gargle with the fenugreek. In the congestion also you can gargle with fenugreek, or warm water with salt you can gargle. These simple things are very useful. Just try them out, very effective.
Thank you so much.